Hey darlings, welcome back to my channel. For all those who are new here, I'm Aparna Jatin Shah, and for all those who've been connected with us, thank you so much for showering so much love. आपको हमारे टाइटल से पता चल गया होगा, this is no challenge video, this is no rapid fire. This is something I wanted to talk from my heart. बहुत comments आते हैं because of course we've been into YouTube for the past 1 year. We've received a lot of love comments, and we have received certain hate comments which we were kind of prepared for. हमें पता है जो हम काम कर रहे हैं या जो भी कोई भी काम करता है तो वो हमेशा सबको पसंद नहीं आता, सबके व्यू पॉइंट्स होते हैं. पीपल मैसेज अस, वी ऑलवेज टेक इट विद a lot of motivation that people are investing so much time on us that they tell us how we can grow, क्या अच्छा लग रहा है क्या नहीं लग रहा है. A lot of people keep commenting and letting us know कि आप ये वीडियो बना लो, आपने इसमें ये किया वो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था, maybe you should try this. We have always been very thankful, and the only reason my intro has a part of saying that thank you so much for keeping us motivated, because genuinely I feel very glad that people are investing that kind of time, energy to write and let us know after watching the video how we can grow. But this is a video where but something happened because of which I almost came to a point where I was going to quit and stop making videos. I told Jatin I don't want to be a part of YouTube anymore, because हुआ ये that me, Jatin and Ashrika had made a video. I don't even know honestly मैं ये I should be making this video or no, but I genuinely thought I wanted to discuss this with my viewers, because हम अपने काफी parts of life share करते हैं, and this is something that came out really badly on me. It took a toll on me. So हुआ ये था that we had made a video with Jatin, me and Ashrika. Now we have a very casual relationship. मैं और Jatin, we don't stay like husband and wives. हम mostly we stay like friends. Aku also, we are not very strict parents. Of course, we teach her morals, we teach her what is right and wrong. But जैसे probably हमारे generation में होता था that we could not look up to our father and talk. We had to look down. और हमें अगर कुछ serious बात करनी होती थी हम मम्मा से बोलते थे पापा से बात करने के लिए. वो relationship हमारे बीच में नहीं है. I think because also of the generation, and also that's the way we three are. So basically one of the subscribers, I don't know whether she's a subscriber or she just came on the YouTube channel to watch. She wrote stuff like Aku has no respect, she disrespects her father and Aparna enjoys it, and you should teach her how to behave. And then of course I got rude and I wrote certain things, because for me protecting my family is by far the first responsibility I feel for myself. And उसके बाद there are a couple of other people who tried backing her up by saying that you cannot use harsh words because हम आपके subscribers हैं. So this goes out to all my viewers and the people who have watched this any video of mine. And she tried telling that we will unfollow you. I am not at a big stage at all on YouTube. मेरे I think 8,500 subscribers हैं. But this should go out very clearly to all the people who think I am glad for the people जिनके चलते I'm growing. But that does not mean that anybody can walk into my YouTube channel and speak abusive language or speak something that is intolerable as a mother to me, because my first responsibility I have is to protect my family. Now उन्होंने चीजें 2-3 लोगों ने ये भी लिखी that because of us your YouTube channel works, हम आपके viewers हैं, you cannot use such harsh words. So dude, मेरा घर नहीं चलता है कोई भी एक profession से, neither YouTube nor my spa. It is all collaborated together, जिससे as of now मेरा घर चलता है या मेरी life चलती है. But I am a person जिसको पैसे कमाने आते हैं. It is not that I will take in any kind of shit from any kind of work line क्योंकि मेरा घर उससे रुक जाएगा. So similarly मैं कोई बहुत बड़े लेवल पे YouTube पे नहीं हूँ. अगर मैं पहुँच भी जाती या मैं जिस लेवल पे हूँ, if somebody writes about my family, I am going to protect it with the harsh kind of words that they have used for me. कोई मुझे lovingly बोलता है you should tell this to Ashrika, I tell that to Ashrika. And second thing, most of you are only seeing 7 to 8 minutes of my 24 hours. So you do not know what equation I have other than that, what other things I teach my daughter, or what me and Jatin have done to become parents. So I kind of really got trackled up and I told Jatin that I'm going to stop the YouTube channel, क्योंकि मैं बहुत क्लियर हूँ कि मेरा कोई भी उस पर्टिकुलर काम से मेरी लाइफ बनती या बिगड़ती नहीं है. मैं केपेबल हूँ, आई एम वेरी केपेबल. सो इफ एनीबडी अक्रॉस कम्स hurting my family or deciding harsher things for them, I will not stop from being rude and I will not stop from being harsh. I don't care what people think because that's my first responsibility. So yeah, that was one of the reasons that I thought I'll quit YouTube. But Jatin explained me, couple of other friends explained us that you cannot take those people so seriously. हमने इतना hard work किया हुआ 1 साल से. It takes in a lot to put it into reaching wherever we've reached on a smaller line. But from 0 to 7.5, 8,000 subscribers also was a very difficult journey for us. And so my friends explained me that you should not give in to those kind of people who have hatred in them, who had a bad past, and they try and dump it. They are like garbage trucks who try and dump it onto us because it's easier, because we are available for people to talk about us. But again, I am not quitting YouTube, but I honestly don't know whether this is the right thing to speak as a content creator and this is the right thing to put up on YouTube. But this is me. I have been like this since the time I became a mother. So no job, no profession. I give the license to people to decide negatively for my child, because that license only I have to figure out whether my child is going right or wrong. And I have a lot of family values. मेरे खुद के घर में बहुत बड़े हैं जो मुझे बताते हैं बच्चों के संग सही गलत, मेरे friends हैं. So this is honest appeal to people. You want us to grow. I am very thankful. You want Ashrika to grow. There are so many people like Neetu auntie and all who are our subscribers. I've never met them. वो बहुत चीजें हमें बताते हैं जिससे आश्रिका के लिए मैं लर्न करती हूँ. I learn a lot as a mother. There's never a point that any one of us as mothers reach and we say okay we are the best mothers. But I think ये human nature ही नहीं, animal nature भी होता है. This is the world's, this is the universe's nature. अगर आप जाके कोई dog के puppies को भी touch करते हो, they get aggressive. You touch a cat who's just delivered, they get aggressive. A tiger and lion also, you cannot touch their cubs, they get aggressive. So I am one of those. मुझे नहीं पता और how it should be in the real life, I don't know. I am very particular about what my parenting is. If somebody touches my child in the wrong manner, even verbally, it's going to come out really harsh. It did, and that particular person also said that why don't you show this up to your YouTube followers who you are so sweet to, or something like that, she said. And I made sure that I wrote that these messages are not going to get deleted. They are going to be there because I'm very proud of what I've spoken. I don't feel bad when you're harsh to me. For my child, I'm going to be the worst harsh that I could be, and I'm very harsh when it comes to protecting my family. So yeah, so I almost thought of quitting YouTube, but now I'm going to come back with a bigger bang, and I'm going to try and ignore the dump yard that people are carrying in their own head, and they feel, you know, content creators ke upar they can dump, but I can't promise to be nice to people. And yeah, that's another side of my reality which I really wanted my viewers and my subscribers who have shown so much faith in me to know, because most of the people we always हम हमेशा try करते हैं सारे messages हम answer करें. We feel very glad that people are, even if they've given us a thumbs up, we tell them thank you so much for, you know, connecting after watching, because किसी के पास आज time नहीं होता है. If they are taking out their lives 8 minutes to see my video and again 2-3 seconds or 5 seconds to comment, I'm very glad. I'm extremely thankful to them. But the people who will dump their dump yard, it's going to come back to them. Let me know in the comment box if y'all think that is right, or as a content creator I'm going wrong and I should be always forever nice. I really want to know what people think about this, because मैंने हमेशा देखा है that good comments come, we reply, bad comments come, we try and ignore or learn out of it. but we are humans, we also have emotions. Just because हम content create कर रहे हैं और उससे थोड़ा amount आ रहा है मेरे घर में does not mean anybody gets the license to be bad to my family. So yeah, I think it's just so much welled up in my heart that I'm going to probably continue to talk about it, but I'm going to end the vlog here. And I really want my genuine subscribers, my genuine viewers, and the people who've been connected to me from start to tell me what you think about this. And yeah, until I see you guys again, keep shining.